How to unlink PSN from Social Club. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can unlink Social Club or PSN from Social Club. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to log in into rockstargames.com. So log in with your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your profile at the top right, click on your profile. From here, head over to your account. Under account, head over to settings. So once you're on the settings, navigate to this menu bar on the right hand side at the top. There's an option as a linked account. Click on it. And if you have linked your PlayStation account here, under this section, you will have an option to unlink your account. So you have to unlink or you have to click on unlink account option if you have already linked your PlayStation account. After that, follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your process. After that, now your PlayStation account is unlinked from your Social Club Rockstar Games account. That's it, that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.